Well, Wink Investigates uncovers a new legal battle in the fight between insurance companies and their customers after Hurricane Ian.
New tonight, one of the insurance companies we've reported on several times with customers who say their claims were substantially underpaid is now suing the adjuster who they say inflated the claims.
I don't see the point in having homeowners insurance, and a lot of people who actually own their homes are not buying it anymore.
You've met Jeff Rapkin on our air before. He says his insurance company knocked his claim down from more than $230,000 to about $15 grand.
They hired Mr. Lee to come and adjust my home.
Rapkin says things started out okay with his field adjuster, Jordan Lee.
He did a very thorough job.
But soon after, he says, the numbers started to change, and not for the better.
He produced a 230-odd page report, and what Heritage gave me was a 15-page report.
And with the page drop came a huge payout drop. Jordan Lee told 60 Minutes 44 of the 46 reports he handled had been changed, all lowered. He's also one of the field adjusters who testified before Florida lawmakers. Now everybody's fighting. Rapkin is suing Heritage. Our coverage of that suit is on winknews.com. And now Heritage is suing Jordan Lee for fraud and defamation.
It absolutely surprised me.
That's Lee's lawyer, John Tolley.
Everything that Jordan said was true.
Tolley says that means the numbers on the field report were accurate, and what Jordan Lee said on 60 Minutes is true. He says the lawsuit is an attack meant to reverberate.
So Jordan's really fighting his David versus Goliath battle in court. He's a young kid, young guy, just getting started in his career, and he's going up against the multi-million-dollar industry.
In Heritage's lawsuit against Jordan Lee, they accuse Lee of, among other things, changing unskilled labor to skilled labor to inflate costs, ordering upgraded and excess materials for replacements, and adjusting the zip code in the software, which significantly increased his total estimates. Tolley is in the process of answering those claims in the lawsuit, but summed it up this way.
We're confident in Jordan's position that we're going to defend this lawsuit.
So is Jeff Rapkin, who says he has proof he's owed that money. He hired a public adjuster who never met Jordan Lee to do their own estimate. Their number, $210,000. Rapkin also hired an engineer who never met Jordan Lee. They came up with a $239,000 estimate. Even Heritage's own roofing expert said the roof damage alone was $56,000. Rapkin says at this point, he's lost his house, but he's not done fighting.
Anger will eat you up inside, and so it's hard to get past that, but you have to.
Heritage sent us a statement they've issued previously to other outlets saying the accusations by adjusters that we used altered damage reports to deceive customers is flat wrong. We've put their full statement with this story on winknews.com. Rapkin is suing Heritage. That's working its way through the courts. As for Heritage's suit against Jordan Lee, Lee's attorney is working on the court response, but as you heard, they say they're confident in their position. As for protection for you, there's also a new state rule that makes it tougher for insurance companies to significantly change a field adjuster's estimate.
We have a live look from the Sanibel